Rwanda, famously known as the land of a thousand hills, is a shining example of resilience, transformation, and forward-thinking development. Over the past decades, the country has moved from a challenging history to a model of unity, safety, and rapid progress. With significant achievements in economic growth, technology, governance, and youth empowerment, Rwanda has positioned itself as a beacon of hope not only for Africa but for the world. In this context, visits by globally recognized figures carry immense value. They showcase Rwanda's progress while inspiring local communities. Recently, the world-renowned YouTuber and live streamer, iShowSpeed, visited Rwanda, delivering a message that resonated deeply with the youth, creators, and the general public. Who is iShowSpeed? iShowSpeed, whose real name is Darren Watkins Jr., has become a global phenomenon in the realm of social media and online entertainment. Known for his electrifying energy, emotional transparency, and authentic interaction with fans, he has garnered millions of followers across platforms such as YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and X. While many perceive him primarily as an entertainer, his story goes beyond reactions, pranks, and gaming streams. His journey highlights the transformative potential of the internet when combined with creativity, discipline, and persistence. Rising from modest beginnings, iShowSpeed exemplifies how young people today can leverage digital platforms to build careers, influence, and global recognition. His influence is particularly notable among the youth, who see him as a source of motivation and proof that unconventional paths can lead to extraordinary achievements. Arrival in Rwanda. iShowSpeed's arrival in Rwanda was met with excitement and enthusiasm. Fans, content creators, and supporters gathered to welcome him, reflecting the country's growing connection to global digital culture. During his stay, he explored various parts of Rwanda, including its cities, cultural sites, and everyday spaces. His observations were consistently positive. He praised the country's cleanliness, safety, organization, and rapid development. By sharing these experiences online, iShowSpeed helped challenge stereotypes about Africa, showing millions of viewers worldwide that Rwanda is a progressive, peaceful, and opportunity-rich nation. The significance of this visit is twofold. It not only inspires local audiences but also projects a positive image of Rwanda globally. The message he delivered during his interactions and public engagements, iShowSpeed delivered a message that went far beyond entertainment. His speech focused on four main pillars: belief in dreams, responsible use of technology, dedication to hard work, and the importance of mindset. 8. Believing in your dreams. iShowSpeed emphasized that young people should never let their background, upbringing, or current circumstances limit their ambitions. He shared personal anecdotes from his own life, highlighting moments when self-doubt and societal expectations could have derailed his path. By overcoming these challenges, he encouraged youth to embrace their dreams fully, reinforcing the idea that persistence and vision are more powerful than circumstance. Though using technology wisely, iShowSpeed highlighted the transformative power of digital platforms, including social media, streaming, and content creation tools. He noted that while technology can be a source of distraction, it also offers unprecedented opportunities for learning, entrepreneurship, and global connectivity. His message encouraged Rwandan youth to approach technology strategically, using it as a tool for growth, creativity, and international collaboration. Teen, hard work and persistence. iShowSpeed shared candid insights into the realities of success. He explained that his fame and influence did not happen overnight but were built through hours of practice, consistent content creation, learning from failures, and continuous self-improvement. This message served as a practical guide for young people, reminding them that talent alone is insufficient without effort, resilience, and discipline. Changing mindset. Perhaps the most powerful aspect of his message was about mindset. iShowSpeed urged young Rwandans and Africans at large to recognize the continent's potential to solve its own challenges and innovate on a global scale. He spoke against limiting beliefs and encouraged youth to envision themselves as leaders, creators, and global problem solvers. This call for mindset transformation resonated with many attendees and online viewers, inspiring self-confidence, ambition, and the courage to pursue unconventional paths. Impact on Rwandan youth. The immediate impact of Aishaspeed's visit on Rwandan youth was profound. His story of rising from humble beginnings to global recognition became tangible proof that success is achievable regardless of origin. Many young people were inspired to explore careers in digital entrepreneurship, content creation, gaming, and technology. His message reinforced the idea that it is possible to build global influence without leaving Rwanda, aligning perfectly with the country's ongoing investment in ICT and innovation hubs. Furthermore, his encouragement fostered a culture of self-belief, persistence, and creative thinking among the next generation of Rwandan leaders. Impact on Rwanda's global image. Beyond inspiring youth, Aishaspeed's visit strengthened Rwanda's global visibility. Millions of his followers worldwide witnessed positive representations of Rwanda, its people, and its development. Such exposure contributes to increased tourism, foreign investment, and international collaboration. By portraying Rwanda as a safe, organized, and forward-thinking nation, the visit countered negative stereotypes often associated with Africa and highlighted the country's progress on the international stage. Analysis and significance. Aishaspeed's visit illustrates the growing influence of social media and digital personalities in shaping national narratives. Unlike traditional diplomatic visits or business delegations, influencers like Aishaspeed reach audiences on a personal, emotional level. They inspire action, provoke thought, and create tangible excitement among youth. This form of soft power complements Rwanda's development strategy, leveraging global attention to reinforce the country's image as a hub for innovation, creativity, and opportunity. Additionally, the visit underscores the importance of storytelling. By sharing authentic experiences, Aishaspeed humanizes Rwanda for a global audience, allowing millions to connect emotionally and intellectually with the country's journey. Conclusion. Aishaspeed's visit to Rwanda was more than a media event, it was a moment of inspiration, motivation, and connection between Rwanda and the global digital community. His message reinforced hope, determination, and self-belief among young people while projecting a positive image of Rwanda to the world. The principles he shared, dreaming big, using technology responsibly, working hard, and cultivating the right mindset, remain universal lessons with lasting impact. Rwanda continues to position itself as a country that embraces innovation, creativity, and youth empowerment, and Aishaspeed's visit stands as a milestone in motivating minds and shaping the next generation of leaders. Ultimately, Aishaspeed delivered a powerful message. In Rwanda is not just a headline. It represents a transformative moment, showing that success is possible from any corner of the world, and that inspiration, when delivered authentically, can create ripple effects across communities and continents.